estimate 3214 and around to the Clark Road side. Can you give me a status? Copy.
So things like this are extremely encouraging and heartwarming to be able to see other people that were there with me that day that are going through the same thing, to give them a hug and to just feel that bond with them, because we have a really incredible bond, and when we are all together, it's just pretty amazing.
Very cute.
I know.
Good talk.
I know. And you're actually smiling in some of them. Some of them.
I don't have any of the cool stuff on today, huh? It's nice to be recognized, but the best part is that little girl over there and the fact that all of my crews are safe at the end of the day.
Mickey, as many people call him, stayed in the field making multiple contacts with people and offering any help that he could.
Look at the t-shirt she has on. Can you show? Oh my goodness.
These people do this all the time, and they deserve to be recognized all the time. It's nice to be recognized for this. Sad the way it happened.
There's a reason I feel like that I was there that day. I feel like even if I can't see it all now, it's definitely made me a stronger person, and it's going to continue to do that.
A few of those too.
So well.
There's one.